Hi everybody, it's Angel here, and notice I just got my new glasses in today. I think I look pretty good in them, so that's not what it's about. It's about Ipsy. Yeah. And it's July's bag. I took it out. This one says Hot Summer Nights. And this is bag. I like it. It's like glossy color. I think it's pretty neat. First thing I pull out is I got Infinity waterproof eyeliner. It's called Thrive Cosmetics. This is what it looks like. And it got sharpener, and it's got this thick piece. I'm guessing this is eraser. So part. I thought that was like a thicker eyeliner, but I guess not. This is the eyeliner. It's pretty thick. I like it. I'm a fan of black liner. Let's try out this in piece. See what it does. Yeah. Looks like it smears it type eraser type thing. Next I pull out is this Brio Geo Curl Charisma. Has rice, amino, and it's a fridge control gel. And can't really tell what the smell is. Next in the box is this. It's Hangover X. It's 100% radiant. It's 100% high, and it's full night of rest. So I've been wanting to get another primer, and I could not find it anywhere. So I'm guessing it's replenishing face primer. So I'm gonna use this for my face. Ooh, and it's like a milky color. Oh, coconut smell too. You can see the shininess. It's just a cream color. Oh, love the smell. Coconut smell. Next is Skine Iceland Solution for Stressful Skin. Antidote Cooling Daily Lotion with, so I'm guessing so just you put on your face and your neck. Let's see if it has a scent to it. Hopefully it's not a bad scent. So I could get this open. Minty. And like a burning sensation, but it's supposed to be the coolness to it. I'm not a fan of peppermint stuff, but I'll still use it. And next is Meat Mate Ceremony, and I'm guessing it's called Miskowitz. If you can see. I like it. It's like a magnet color. Not magnet book. And that's the color. Bright purple. And I'll show you what it looks like. That color right there. I think it's a pretty color. So, yeah. That's all I got in my Ipsy bag this month. And stay tuned. Yeah. Stay tuned to my next video. And I'll show you. Yeah. Stay tuned to my next video. And I'm thinking about doing Never Have I Ever with my boyfriend if he agrees to do it with me. And I would like to have you guys ask me questions down below. Yeah. And yeah. Just comment down below and let me know if you guys got questions. Never have I ever questions you want me to answer, and I'll comment down and I'll make a video of it. So yeah, that's it till next video, and I'll see you guys on the next video, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Peace.